Outside this 500,000 pound per day plant, white trucks arrive loaded only with fresh aloe vera leaves.
Each pure white truck is dedicated to transporting fresh aloe vera leaves directly from certified fields to this plant.
Every load is digitally logged, confirming that only fresh aloe vera leaves enter the medical-grade facility.
Calibrated truck scales verify the exact weight of every aloe vera load before it enters production records. Covered unloading bays protect the fresh aloe vera leaves as they transition from transport into controlled processing areas. Inside each trailer, only fresh aloe vera leaves are carried, protected from contamination before unloading begins.
Fresh aloe vera leaves are gently transferred onto stainless steel intake conveyors, beginning their controlled medical-grade journey inside. Every aloe vera leaf is handled on food-grade stainless steel, preventing contamination before washing and sorting begin inside. Digital traceability links each incoming aloe vera batch to its exact origin, essential for medical-grade documentation and safety.
Before washing, workers visually screen the aloe vera, removing any damaged pieces and stray material in this clean zone. A vibrating pre-clean deck spreads the aloe vera into a single layer, preparing every leaf for thorough sanitation downstream. Enclosed spray systems gently clean each aloe vera leaf surface, an essential step before medical-grade gel extraction begins.
Freshly washed aloe vera leaves drain on perforated belts, preventing excess moisture before further inspection and trimming steps. Under bright inspection lights, trained staff scrutinize every aloe vera leaf again, rejecting anything that fails strict quality standards. Computer vision backs up human inspection, scanning every aloe vera leaf for size, color, and surface uniformity in real time.
Automated gates gently reroute questionable aloe vera leaves, ensuring that only prime material advances toward precision trimming lines.
Skilled operators trim the base of each aloe vera leaf, creating a uniform shape for accurate, repeatable processing steps ahead.
Protected cutting heads slice away the thorny edges, making every aloe vera leaf safer and easier to fillet accurately downstream. Removed aloe vera edge strips are collected separately, keeping the main line focused solely on pure gel-yielding leaf material.
Technicians verify aloe vera leaf dimensions, ensuring filleting machines receive material within tightly controlled size specifications every shift. Trimmed aloe vera flows from several lines into a central path, feeding a dedicated, high-hygiene room for precise gel filleting. Personnel decontaminate in air showers before entering the filleting area, protecting the exposed aloe vera gel from airborne particles.
Inside the core processing hall, multiple parallel lines transform whole aloe vera leaves. Precision guides orient every aloe vera leaf, ensuring cutting blades follow the same path for uniform gel extraction results. A first controlled cut scores the aloe vera rind, preparing it to separate cleanly from the delicate, translucent inner gel layer.
Inside each aloe vera leaf lies a clear, bioactive gel matrix, carefully separated here from the green outer rind and aloe-enriched layers. Specialized blades gently peel away the upper aloe vera rind, revealing a smooth sheet of gel ready for final separation steps. A second blade slides beneath the aloe vera gel, separating it from the final rind layer without crushing the delicate inner tissue. Separated paths carry green aloe vera rind away, while only clear gel slabs advance toward cold processing and medical stabilization. Highly trained staff manually remove every trace of green rind, refining the aloe vera gel to medical-grade purity standards. Technicians check sample gel slabs for any colored residues, ensuring aloe-enriched regions are removed before further aloe vera processing. Cleared of rind, pure aloe vera gel collects in chilled stainless steel hoppers, ready for controlled cold grinding and homogenization. Instrumentation records how much aloe vera gel is collected and how cold it remains, vital for preserving sensitive bioactive compounds. Once full, the hopper's outlet opens, releasing cooled aloe vera gel into closed piping that feeds the downstream cold grinding equipment. Closed, labeled pipelines move the freshly filleted aloe vera gel into a separate cold processing room, avoiding any open-air exposure.
Dedicated cold rooms keep aloe vera gel at controlled low temperatures, while grinding parameters are continuously tracked in real time.
Chilled aloe vera gel feeds directly into a sanitary cold grinder, which reduces gel pieces without adding unwanted thermal stress.
Inside, slow-turning paddles homogenize the aloe vera gel into a smooth phase, preparing it for meticulous filtration stages next. From the cold grinder, aloe vera gel flows into sealed lines, preserving texture and avoiding any airborne contamination. A viewing section lets staff visually confirm that the cold-ground aloe vera gel flows uniformly before any filtration begins.
A first-course strainer captures larger aloe vera fibers, preventing them from burdening the precision clarification equipment downstream. Captured aloe vera fibers are removed under hygienic conditions, an early step in achieving the smooth, medical-grade gel texture required. A balance tank keeps aloe vera gel flow steady, feeding clarification equipment at a constant rate for consistent separation performance. A high-speed clarifier spins the aloe vera gel, removing fine suspended solids while keeping the process fully contained and hygienic. Operators track clarification efficiency on screen, confirming that aloe vera gel purity steadily increases as fine solids are spun away. The clarifier separates smooth aloe vera gel from denser aloe solids, which are routed away from the medical-grade gel stream. A rotating fine screen removes the last visible aloe fibers, bringing the gel closer to the ultra-smooth texture clinicians expect. Collected aloe vera fiber mats confirm that the polishing screen is functioning, leaving the gel phase increasingly free of structural fragments. Multi-stage cartridge filtration removes ever smaller particles, bringing aloe vera gel clarity up to stringent medical-grade specifications. Technicians track pressure across each filter stage, ensuring the aloe vera gel keeps flowing while microscopic impurities are removed efficiently. Bent cartridges reveal how much aloe vera particulate they have captured, confirming that critical filtration work is being done invisibly inside the housings. An ultrafine membrane stage polishes the aloe vera gel, creating a clear, uniform base suitable for sensitive medical-grade applications. Optical sensors verify that the aloe vera gel reaches its target clarity, a key quality parameter for medical and clinical formulations. Under carefully controlled vacuum, trapped air is removed from the aloe vera gel, helping prevent oxidation and foaming later on. Deaeration removes microscopic bubbles from the aloe vera gel, a subtle but vital step for long-term stability and visual quality. Sensors confirm that dissolved gases in the aloe vera gel have been reduced, supporting consistent performance during gentle heat treatment later. Stabilization tanks hold the aloe vera gel under tightly controlled conditions, preserving bioactivity before low-heat pasteurization begins. Inside the sealed tanks, aloe vera gel circulates slowly, maintaining a uniform composition ahead of final safety treatment stages. Every stabilization parameter for each aloe vera batch is logged, providing full traceability for medical-grade regulatory documentation.
Sterile vials of stabilized aloe vera gel are drawn for lab testing, confirming quality before the gentle pasteurization step proceeds. Samples of aloe vera gel travel directly from process tanks to the on-site lab, without ever leaving the plant's controlled environment.
In the laboratory, each aloe vera gel sample is logged and queued for tests that verify consistency, clarity, and microbiological safety.
Viscosity testing ensures the aloe vera gel has the right flow properties for applications ranging from dressings to topical preparations.
Optical measurements conferred that the filtered aloe vera gel meets strict clarity and color criteria for medical-grade labeling claims.
Rapid tests screen the aloe vera gel for microbial contamination, ensuring only compliant batches advance to low-heat pasteurization lines.
After passing all checks, the aloe vera gel batch is released in the system, authorizing its transfer to medical-grade pasteurization equipment.
Approved aloe vera gel travels through dedicated lines to a specialized pasteurization suite designed for low-temperature, high-precision treatment. A dedicated plate pasteurizer provides controlled, low-heat treatment of aloe vera gel, balancing microbial safety. Incoming and outgoing temperatures are continuously tracked, ensuring aloe vera gel receives enough heat for safety without excessive thermal stress. Controlled flow keeps every portion of aloe vera gel at the target temperature for the exact time required by medical standards.
A validated time temperature curve governs low heat treatment, ensuring each aloe vera gel batch meets medical-grade lethality requirements safely. Interlocks guard the aloe vera line, diverting flow if any condition drifts outside safe limits during the low-heat pasteurization cycle.
A calibrated holding tube guarantees that every drop of aloe vera gel experiences the required time at its carefully controlled temperature.
Right after heating, the aloe vera gel is gently cooled again, locking in its properties before it enters sterile storage and filling systems.
Pasteurized aloe vera gel rests in a sealed holding tank under sterile conditions, ready to be directed into medical-grade filling equipment.
Final post-pasteurization samples of aloe vera gel are taken here, confirming that the product remains safe and stable before sterile filling.
Final release samples of pasteurized aloe vera gel enter the lab to confirm that safety and purity targets remain fully intact. Automated sterility screens give rapid confirmation that pasteurized aloe vera gel remains free of unwanted microbial activity. pH testing confirms the aloe vera gel sits precisely in its validated range, critical for product stability and skin compatibility.
Once all laboratory criteria are met, the aloe vera gel batch receives formal release, unlocking the sterile filling line downstream. With quality released, sterile valves open, and aloe vera gel begins its journey from holding tank to aseptic filling heads.
Dedicated piping keeps the aloe vera gel enclosed as it moves into the sterile environment where bottles will be filled and sealed.
Strict airlock procedures maintain a clean zone atmosphere around the aloe vera gel as it approaches open containers for filling.
Multiple aseptic lines are dedicated solely to aloe vera, combining precise automation with strict pharmaceutical-style hygiene controls.
Unscramblers feed a continuous line of upright containers toward the aloe vera filler, minimizing manual handling and airborne risk.
Sterile air rinses each container moments before filling, adding another barrier between aloe vera gel and any stray particles. Laminar flow hoods create a controlled microenvironment above the filler, where aloe vera gel briefly meets open containers. Precision nozzles meter consistent doses of aloe vera gel into each container, ensuring exact fill volumes for medical-grade labeling.
The hypnotic flow of aloe vera gel into each bottle is carefully controlled, balancing speed with gentle, low-turbulence handling. Filled containers move in a controlled arc toward the capping turret, where closures lock in the freshly pasteurized aloe vera gel.
Rotary capping applies a precise closing force, protecting the aloe vera gel while keeping bottles easy to open in clinical settings.
Random torque checks ensure every sealed aloe vera bottle remains secure during shipping, without over-tightening closures.
Induction sealing adds a tamper-evident barrier, guarding the aloe vera gel against contamination once it leaves the sterile filling hall.
Simple, clinical labels reading only aloe vera identify the medical-grade gel without distracting graphics or branding elements.
Each container carries a clear, unambiguous label, simply aloe vera, reinforcing the plant's single-ingredient, medical-grade focus.
High-resolution codes tie each aloe vera bottle to its precise batch history, supporting recalls and regulatory documentation if ever needed.
Filtration systems automatically verify every aloe vera bottle, rejecting any with low fill, skewed labels, or incomplete traceability codes.
Any irregular aloe vera units are automatically removed from the stream and quarantined, so that only compliant bottles move onward. Filled aloe vera bottles are packed into cartons by gloved operators, maintaining careful alignment and count for each case shipped. Each sealed case is clearly marked aloe vera, linking every carton back to its validated gel production batch and processing date. Inline check weighing assures that every aloe vera case carries the full, intended count of medically processed gel units.
Robotic systems build uniform pallets of aloe vera cases, preparing them for efficient, traceable storage and distribution handling. Stretch wrapping locks each pallet of aloe vera cases into a stable unit, guarding the gel bottles from movement during transport. Electric forklifts shuttle finished aloe vera pallets toward controlled storage, avoiding emissions inside the medical-grade facility. Finished aloe vera inventory rests in a controlled warehouse, with all pallets segregated by batch and destination requirements.
Climate monitoring guarantees that stored aloe vera cases remain within the narrow environmental range validated for their shelf life.
Every pallet is clearly tagged as aloe vera, aligning warehouse movements with the plant's end-to-end digital traceability system. Shipping coordinators assemble full truckloads consisting only of aloe vera pallets, optimizing routes while preserving batch integrity. Pallets of aloe vera cases line the dock staging lanes, each assigned to a waiting pure white distribution truck at the bay doors. Only aloe vera pallets are loaded into these pure white trailers, with operators arranging each stack for secure, vibration-resistant transport. After cross-checking manifests, dock staff seal each pure white trailer carrying nothing but medical-grade aloe vera product inside.
Loaded with sealed aloe vera cases, pure white trucks leave the dock, carrying the plant's carefully processed gel to the outside world.
From intake to outbound gate, this facility handles only aloe vera, now leaving in sealed trucks bound for hospitals and production sites.
Convoys of pure white trailers leave, each one dedicated to distributing rigorously processed, single-ingredient aloe vera gel batches.
From fresh leaves to sealed bottles marked aloe vera, this plant delivers medical-grade gel at industrial scale every single day.